Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods mismatch problem on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to connect to your AirPods but you are facing this problem that says AirPods mismatch, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then software update and update your software to the latest version. And if there is any update available for you, simply update it. After this, go back and now scroll it below, and then you have to go to Bluetooth settings and then go to your AirPods and go to settings of your AirPods and then scroll it below all the way and forget this device for one time. So guys, simply forget this device for one time from here. After this, go back and now try to reset your AirPods to factory settings. So guys, for that you have to simply press and hold the button behind the case of your AirPods for 30 seconds to reset your AirPods to factory settings. So guys, simply press and hold this button for 30 seconds and reset your AirPods, and after this reconnect your AirPods with your device again. So guys, connect your AirPods again with your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.